Hello everyone, this is continuation for the previous video, deterministic finite automata. So in the previous video, we have seen what is DFA. So that means each state should have exactly one destination, and each state should cover all the inputs, right? So now we'll see some more examples on DFA. So the first question is, construct DFA that accepts set of all strings over alphabet A comma B of length 2. So in the question they have mentioned length 2. So only we should consider the strings of length 2, and the alphabet is A comma B. So if we have two alphabets here, I mean two symbols in the alphabet set, so how many strings we can generate here? 2 power 2, we can generate only 4 strings. That means AA, BP, AB and BE. So that means this language is finite language. So after reading the question, the first point, the first important point is writing the language. So whether it may be infinite or finite, first you need to write the language. So this is the language accepted by this question. So L is equal to AA, BB, AB and BE. So in this, first we need to consider the minimum length string. Of course, here all the strings are of same length. So you can consider any of the string here. For example, I'm taking um, AA here. So how to draw AA? So how many states we need to accept AA? So this is starting state, and this is the next state, and next we have final state, right? So this is starting state. I'm keeping an arrow mark here, and here it accepts A and A, right? So this is minimum string. So now what is the next string we have? BB. So anyhow it is DFA. On the state A is over. On the state A is over. So now I need to finish B and B. So here I can take B also, A or B. So here also A or B. So for this starting state Q1, Q2, Q3. So for Q1, AB is over. For Q2 also, AB is over. Now for Q3, I need to provide AB. So if I give AB to the state, what happens? 1, 2, again 3, length 4. So we will get 4 length string. But in the question, it should accept only 2 length string. So 2 length string means what are the possibilities? AA or AB or BA or BB. So even though I'm writing A comma B here, at a time I can consider only one symbol here. So A comma B both at a time I cannot consider, right? So only one symbol you can consider at a time, A or B. So here we'll covering all the 4 combinations. So I should not write any backward arrow here, right? So if I connect this Q3AB to Q2 or Q1, I'll get more than length 2. So that means I don't need AB on this state. So at that case, what I need to do, just move this AB to dead state. So dead state has only incoming and there is no outgoing. That means if you're moving to dead state means that is rejected string. So from there, you cannot move anywhere, right? If you don't need any input, in worst case, if you don't need any input, then you can move that input to dead state. So this is the solution for this problem. So the better solution when we get means, first better to write the language. From that language take minimum string. For that minimum string construct a diagram, and after constructing that remaining strings also you need to cover in that. So this is the solution for this. Based on this solution we can construct this transition table. So how many states we have here? 4 states. A, B, C are the actual state and D is a dead state. So whereas A is a start state, that's why you're indicating using arrow mark, and C is the final state, I'm keeping a circle here, right? And we have 2 inputs here. One is A and the another one is B. So A on A, where it is going, B. A on B, where it is going. So like this, we need to construct this transition table. And after that, as it is a DFA, can be represented using 5 tuple notation. You need to write all the 5 tuples here. What is Q here? Q is set of states. What are the states we are using? A, B, C, D. Sigma they have given already in the question itself, that is A comma B. And what are the transitions? Transition anyhow you're covering in the transition table. So Q naught is initial state. What is the initial state in our problem? That is A. And F is set of final state. In our problem we have only one final state, that is C. So that you need to indicate using this representation. And after this, better you need to check whether a given string is accepted by this diagram or not. See, we have only limited language here. This is finite language. So we will check whether the string is accepted by this or not. So what is the string we have? BA. So what is the starting state we have? A. So delta A on B. A on B. A on B, where it is going? B. So delta of B and the remaining string is A. Now B on A. So B on A, where it is going? C. So delta, where it is going? C, and the string is over epsilon. So now the string is completed. You need to check whether you have reached the final state or not. So C. What is C? C is the final state here. So this string is accepted by this language. So now we'll check another one. So delta A, the string is BA B. So I'll just try to clear the screen. Then so now what is the string we have? Delta, starting state is A, and the string I just want to check is BA. So A on B, where it is going? A on B, B, and the remaining string is A. Now B on A, B on A is going to C, and the remaining string is B. C on B, C on B, where it is going to D, that is dead state, and the string is over. So when the string is over, when you get epsilon here, you should reach the end state here, terminating state. The terminating state is C, but here you got D, that means dead state, which is not a terminating state. That means this string is not accepted by this diagram, right? So in this way, you can check whether the given string is accepted or rejected. Right, we'll see one more example. Right, so DFA, design DFA, which checks whether the given unary number is divisible by 3 or not. So here also same thing. First you need to write the language. So unary number means in that language, in that alphabet, we have only one digit. You can take 0 or 1, that is your wish. Generally we used to take 1, right? So that unary digit is 1. So whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So 3 or not, in the sense, in that language, what we will get here? 3 ones, 6 ones, 9 ones, then 3 folds are 12 ones, 15 ones, and so on, right? So your language should accept 3 ones, next to 6 ones, but it should not accept 4 ones or 5 ones. Then after 6, it should accept 9 ones, but not 7 ones or 8 ones. In that way, you need to write this, draw this diagram. So before that, we'll try to write the language. So the language L is equal to minimum 3 ones, then 6 ones, then 9 ones, and so on. It is an infinite language. Coming to previous problem, it is finite. Why? Because they have mentioned the length, but here there is no length here. They didn't mention the length. So divisible by 3, in the sense we have so many natural numbers, in that so many numbers are divisible by 3, so it is infinite. So whatever it may be, the language finite or infinite, what is the first process? We need to consider the minimum length string. So here the minimum length string is 111. First I need to draw the diagram for that. So to accept 111, how many states we need? 4 states, right? So the last one is final state, and the first one is initial state, 1, 1, 1. So it is accepting 111. So now for the first state, 1 is over. Second state, the input is over. Third state, the input is over. And for the last state, I need to write this input. Why? Because as it is a DFA, every state should pass through all the inputs. Here we have only one input symbol, that is 1. So all these three states already passed through 1. But what about this last state? So what happens if I move this 1 to dead state? What happens here? What is the string it will accept? 111 only. So what about 6 months? What about 9 months? This diagram will not accept 6 months or 9 months. It will accept only 3 months. If I move this last one to dead state, that means this is not correct. So in all the cases, we cannot use dead state here. Whenever you want, you need to use the dead state. Now what I need to do this one. So what happens, for example, if I move this one to this state. So how many ones we'll get? 1, 2, 3, again going back. 4, then 5. 5 ones it should not accept, right? So that means this path is not correct. Now move this one to this state. 1, 2, 3, this backward. 4, 5, and 6. Yes, it is reaching, after completing 6 months, it is reaching to final state. Then that will be accepted. We'll check for 9 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So this is the correct diagram. So this one, where I need to move this one, whether it is to dead state or the previous state or before previous state or the starting state. So that according to your requirement, you need to check. So this is the solution for this problem. So triple ones, first you need to draw this. It is the first starting state and it is the last state. So D is not dead state here. Okay, D is the name of the state here. So what about this D1? So I need to move it to D to support this language, to accept this language. Then you need to write the notation, pi tuple notation followed by transition table. In the same way, you need to check for the string acceptance also for every string. And we can consider one more example here. So DFA with set of all string of length at least 2. At least 2 in the sense minimum is 2, maximum is your wish. So here this language I'm writing it as AAA. So 2 length strings. So minimum 2, right? So all the possible 2 length strings followed by 3 length strings and so on. It is a infinite, right? So here I need to consider the minimum one. So minimum one in the sense. So minimum in the sense 2 length, right? So 2 length, to support 2 length strings, how many states we need here? 3 states. So in that 3 states, it's similar to first diagram, right? In the first diagram, we have taken all the 4 combinations here. So here it is minimum is 2 length followed by any number of A's and any number of B's. That's what is it, right? Minimum is 2 length, maximum is your wish. So for the last state, what I'm doing, I'm just keeping a loop here. So what happens if I move this AB to this one or this one, what happens? It will become like what we call, we can repeat any number of A's and B's, right? That's why I'm just taking a loop here. Instead of that, you can take here also, but you need to check how many times I can repeat that. So like that, you need to check. So 3 A's, 4 A's, that is your wish. As I already told you, for a single question, we may have multiple solutions also. So this is my perception. After 2 A's or 2 B's or 2 length string, I can repeat any number of A's and B's. That's why I'm just keeping a loop here. So, but we need to think what happens if I move here or if I move here. Instead of writing a loop, what happens if I move here, right? So if I move here, what happens? A comma B. So you will get only 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 length strings. But what about 5 length, right? So 5 length strings also it should accept, right? So for that purpose, I can move here. But at a time, I cannot go to 2 states. Why? Because it is a DFA. So if I want to get 4 length as well as 5 length, then you need to move AB to B state as well as A state also. But it is not possible as it is a DFA. So for that purpose, I cannot consider the backward arrow here. Instead of that, I'm just keeping a loop here. So this loop means you can take any number of A's and any number of B's. There is no restriction on that, right? So this is the diagram for that. Then transition table for that. Then followed by you can what we call write pi tuple notation. then string acceptance also. So this is at least 2. We'll see next problem. It is at most 2. At most 2 in the sense maximum is 2. Minimum is your wish. Minimum in the sense 0. So 0 means no string, epsilon, empty string. So the language is L is equal to epsilon. Then followed by it should accept 1 length strings, then 2 length strings. So at most 2. So this language is finite language. So first I need to consider a minimum, right? So minimum length is epsilon. So minimum length epsilon in the sense, so to accept epsilon, the solution is initial state will become final state. That is the solution for epsilon. Then followed by it should accept single length. So one length. So A comma B. It should accept single length. So this also will become final state. At the same time, it should accept double length also. That means it will become also final. But what about AB for this final state? I cannot use here. Why? Because it is only maximum of 2 lengths. So I need to move this AB on this final state to dead state. So now you can observe here if I write F in the 5 tuple notation, the last F is the term last tuple F is set of final state. What are the final states we have? A, B, C. And what about Q? What are the different states we have? A, B, C, and we have dead state also D. So we have 3 final states here. So if you reach this starting state or second state or third state, any of these 3 states, then that string is accepted by this language, right? So if you are taking epsilon in the sense, you should make the initial state as final state. So like this, we can do more examples on this. This is about PFA. Thank you.